Welcome to our Ultimate Woodworking Toolkit Guide. In this video, we'll explore 25 genius tools that will revolutionize your woodworking projects. From precision measuring instruments to powerful cutting tools, these gadgets will save time, increase accuracy, and make every project more enjoyable, efficient, and professional. The Kreg pocket hole jig is a must-have for any woodworker looking to join pieces quickly and securely. It allows you to drill angled holes for strong, invisible joints, making furniture and cabinetry assembly fast and precise. Its adjustable settings work with a variety of wood thicknesses. Even beginners can achieve professional results, while seasoned woodworkers appreciate the speed and reliability. Compact and portable, this tool fits easily into any workshop. Whether you're building shelves, tables, or cabinets, the Kreg jig is a game changer. Save time, reduce errors, and get perfect pocket holes every time. A versatile investment that pays off in countless projects. The Rockler edge banding iron is perfect for applying edge banding quickly and neatly. Designed for consistent heat distribution, it allows woodworkers to attach edge tape to plywood, MDF, or particle board with professional results. Lightweight and easy to handle, it eliminates messy adhesives and reduces finishing errors. The iron works on various types of banding material, ensuring a smooth, even bond. Perfect for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and hobbyists alike, it guarantees a polished, professional look every time. With this tool, your projects achieve clean edges without extra effort. Save time, reduce frustration, and give your woodworking pieces a refined, factory-quality finish. The Ryobi cordless brad nailer makes precise nailing faster and more convenient. Its cordless design eliminates cords, giving you full mobility around your workspace. Ideal for trim, molding, and small furniture projects, it delivers consistent depth control for professional results. Lightweight yet powerful, it minimizes hand fatigue while allowing repetitive nailing with ease. The tool accepts standard brad nails, making it versatile for different project types. Quick reloading, adjustable pressure, and safety features make it a reliable companion for any woodworker. Save time on assembly and finishing, reduce hammering errors, and achieve clean, secure joints every time you use this efficient cordless nailer. The Veritas marking gauge is essential for precise lines and measurements in woodworking. Its adjustable fence and smooth brass pen allow consistent marking, ideal for joinery, cutting, and layout tasks. Durable and ergonomic, it fits comfortably in hand while maintaining high accuracy. Perfect for dovetails, mortise and tenon work, and overall project layout. It eliminates guesswork and ensures clean, professional lines. Woodworkers of all skill levels appreciate its precision and reliability. Whether drafting measurements or setting consistent spacing, this tool reduces errors and improves project outcomes. Compact, lightweight, and robust, the Veritas marking gauge is a small investment with a huge impact on your woodworking accuracy. JessEm sword squares are precision layout tools for cabinet makers and woodworkers. Designed to ensure exact 90-degree angles, these squares provide high accuracy for cutting, marking, and aligning materials. Durable construction resists warping, and the ergonomic design makes them easy to handle during repetitive use. Whether working with plywood, hardwood, or MDF, these squares guarantee straight lines and tight joints. They are perfect for dovetailing, mortise and tenon work, and overall project layout. By reducing measurement errors, JessEm sword squares help improve efficiency and finish quality. Essential for any workshop, they ensure your projects are precise, professional, and consistent every time. The Co-Matic PD80 Edgeband trimmer makes trimming edge banding fast and clean. Its precise cutting mechanism follows the board contour for seamless results, reducing sanding and finishing time. Easy to adjust and comfortable to handle, this tool works efficiently on various board thicknesses. Ideal for cabinets, furniture, and custom wood projects, the PD80 guarantees professional quality edges. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability, while its ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers, this trimmer streamlines the finishing process. Achieve polished, factory-quality results every time, saving hours in manual trimming and sanding work. The HYCHIKA Random Orbit Sander is compact yet powerful, designed to provide smooth finishes without swirl marks. With variable speed control, it adapts to different sanding requirements, from rough stock removal to fine finishing. Its dust collection system keeps the workspace clean, improving visibility and efficiency. Ergonomic handles reduce fatigue during prolonged use, while durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Perfect for woodworking projects like furniture, cabinetry, and DIY repairs, it offers professional results without professional effort. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the sander is ideal for both beginners and seasoned craftsmen. A versatile tool that enhances precision, finish quality, and overall workflow. Grizzly lumber and pipe carts simplify handling large wood panels, pipes, and sheet goods. Their sturdy construction ensures stability, while smooth rolling wheels provide easy maneuverability. Ideal for workshops of all sizes, these carts reduce strain and increase efficiency when moving heavy materials. Adjustable features accommodate various widths and lengths, making them versatile for different project requirements. Woodworkers can store, transport, and access materials safely and quickly. Durable steel frames guarantee long-term reliability, while compact storage design saves valuable floor space. These carts are perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, improving workflow, safety, and convenience during every woodworking project. The JNB Pro Countersink drill bit set delivers precise, clean countersinks for screws and fasteners. High-quality steel construction ensures durability, while sharp edges reduce splintering and tear-out. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and fine woodworking projects, these bits create professional-looking holes every time. The set includes multiple sizes to accommodate different screw diameters, making it versatile for various tasks. Easy to use and compatible with standard drills, they speed up assembly while improving joint appearance. Woodworkers can achieve flush or recessed screw heads effortlessly. This set is a reliable, time-saving addition to any workshop, ensuring accuracy and a polished finish. The SENIX cordless chainsaw offers powerful cutting without the hassle of cords. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling while providing high cutting performance for logs, branches, and lumber. Perfect for both workshop and outdoor use, it reduces fatigue during prolonged cutting sessions. Rechargeable batteries provide mobility and extended runtime, making it ideal for quick and precise cuts. Safety features such as chain brakes and ergonomic grips minimize accidents. Suitable for hobbyists, professionals, and DIY enthusiasts, this cordless chainsaw combines power, convenience, and portability. A versatile tool that saves time, increases efficiency, and enhances safety during woodworking and landscaping tasks. JessEm multi-purpose casters add mobility to your workshop equipment. Designed to support heavy loads, these casters allow easy movement of workbenches, cabinets, and tools. Swivel and locking features provide stability when needed while maintaining smooth rolling action. Durable materials ensure long-term reliability even under constant use. By adding casters to your workspace, you can easily reconfigure layouts, improve access, and optimize workflow. Installation is simple, and the ergonomic design enhances safety. A practical and versatile solution to make your workshop more flexible and efficient.
The O-School 1:7 saddle square is perfect for precision woodworking tasks. Its accurate angle measurement ensures precise layout and joinery, making it ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and fine woodworking. Durable materials resist wear and maintain accuracy over time. Ergonomic design allows comfortable handling during repetitive marking and measuring tasks. This square is particularly useful for dovetail and mortise layouts, improving accuracy and reducing errors. Woodworkers of all levels can benefit from its simplicity and reliability. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into any toolkit. Enhance your workshop efficiency and achieve professional quality results with this indispensable measuring and layout tool. The Peachtree ProGrip GCX Edge Clamp Guide simplifies clamping and positioning for woodworking projects. Its adjustable design accommodates various board sizes and thicknesses, providing consistent pressure for glue-ups. Ergonomic handles improve comfort, while durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and custom projects, this tool reduces errors and enhances precision. Quick adjustments allow faster setups, saving time during assembly. Woodworkers can achieve even clamping pressure, improving joint strength and alignment. Compact and portable, it integrates easily into any workshop. A reliable guide for both beginners and professionals, it ensures secure and accurate clamping for flawless woodworking results. The Bow Products XT Extender Fence is an essential addition to table saws and routers. It provides extended support for large panels, ensuring straight, precise cuts. Adjustable and sturdy, it accommodates different material widths and helps maintain accurate alignment. Durable construction guarantees stability during repetitive cuts, while lightweight design makes it easy to install and adjust. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and large woodworking projects, it enhances safety and efficiency. Woodworkers can reduce errors and achieve professional results with ease. This fence extension improves workflow, accuracy, and confidence during cutting tasks. A reliable solution for serious woodworkers tackling bigger projects. The Minovatool KD03W cordless insulating saw is perfect for cutting insulating boards, foam, and lightweight wood. Its cordless design provides full mobility, while sharp blades ensure clean, precise cuts. Ergonomic handles reduce fatigue, making extended cutting sessions comfortable. Ideal for both DIY and professional projects, it allows efficient handling of large panels and irregular shapes. Safety features like blade guards protect the user during operation. Compact and portable, it's easy to store and transport. This saw is a versatile addition to any workshop, saving time and effort while improving accuracy and efficiency in insulation and woodworking projects. The Bosch Wood Nailer delivers fast, accurate nailing for woodworking projects. Its powerful mechanism drives nails cleanly into hardwood, softwood, or plywood. Adjustable depth settings ensure flush or recessed finishes, reducing surface damage. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it minimizes hand fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and framing tasks, it increases productivity while maintaining precision. The tool's durability and reliability make it suitable for both professional and DIY workshops. Quick reloading and consistent performance allows seamless operation. A time-saving essential, the Bosch Wood Nailer improves efficiency, accuracy, and overall quality in all your woodworking nailing tasks. The 10 variable speed drill press offers precision drilling with adjustable speeds for different materials. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, while the ergonomic table design allows smooth movement of workpieces. Ideal for metal, wood, and composite drilling, it maintains accuracy and prevents material damage. Variable speed control provides versatility for various drill bit types and sizes. Professionals and hobbyists alike benefit from its ease of use, consistent performance, and precise results. Compact yet durable, it fits easily into any workshop size. This drill press enhances workflow efficiency, accuracy, and safety, making it an indispensable tool for precise, repeatable drilling in any project. The cabinet clamp is essential for assembling cabinets, drawers, and furniture. Its adjustable design allows consistent pressure on corners and panels, ensuring square, tight joints. Durable construction provides long-lasting performance, while ergonomic handles make clamping easy and comfortable. Ideal for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers, it reduces the need for additional clamping devices. Quick setup saves time, while even pressure prevents warping and misalignment. Compact and portable, this clamp integrates seamlessly into any workshop. By improving alignment and joint strength, it guarantees professional quality assemblies. A simple but effective tool that enhances accuracy, speed, and overall craftsmanship in cabinet-making projects. The Milescraft 3403 Grabber simplifies holding small workpieces for drilling, sanding, or finishing. Its versatile design grips various shapes securely, freeing both hands for precise work. Lightweight yet sturdy, it reduces slippage and improves safety. Ideal for hobbyists, DIYers, and professionals, it supports detailed tasks like model making, cabinet assembly, and intricate joinery. Quick adjustments and ergonomic design enhance comfort and efficiency. By stabilizing small parts, it reduces errors and improves quality of finished projects. Compact and easy to store, this grabber is a must-have for any woodworking workshop. It ensures steady handling, accuracy, and consistent results for detailed work. The JessEm height and depth gauge allows accurate measurement of wood thickness, groove depth, and component height. Its precision markings ensure repeatable, professional results in joinery and layout tasks. Durable and lightweight, it fits comfortably in hand, making repeated measurements easy. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and fine woodworking projects, it reduces errors and enhances efficiency. Easy to read scales and smooth adjustment mechanisms save time during setup. Professionals and hobbyists alike can rely on it for consistent accuracy. A small but essential tool, the JessEm height and depth gauge improves precision, saves time, and ensures clean, accurate cuts in any woodworking project. Precision triangles are essential for checking angles and squareness in woodworking. Crafted for accuracy, they help verify 90-degree and other critical angles during layout, cutting, and assembly. Durable materials resist wear and maintain reliable measurements over time. Lightweight and portable, these triangles fit easily into any workshop toolkit. Perfect for cabinet making, furniture, and fine woodworking, they ensure alignment and reduce mistakes. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike benefit from their consistent precision, improving workflow and project quality. These triangles are a simple yet indispensable tool, providing confidence and accuracy when marking, cutting, or verifying angles on wood surfaces. The Easy Arc Countersink drill bit set allows clean, precise countersinking for screws and fasteners. High-quality steel ensures durability, while sharp edges reduce splintering. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and general woodworking, these bits create professional-looking screw heads. Multiple sizes accommodate different screw diameters, adding versatility. Compatible with standard drills, they save time and improve assembly accuracy. Woodworkers can achieve even screw pressure, improving finish quality. A reliable, time-saving addition to any workshop, this set reduces errors and improves finish quality for every project. Perfect for both beginners and professionals, the Easy Arc Countersink drill bit set guarantees clean, polished, and precise screw placements for every project. The router bit cleaning and maintenance kit ensures your router bits perform at their best. It includes brushes, lubricants, and cleaning solutions to remove resin, pitch, and debris from cutting edges. Regular maintenance extends bit life and improves cutting precision. Suitable for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals, this kit ensures smoother cuts, reduced tear out, and consistent results. Compact and easy to store, it keeps your workshop organized. By maintaining sharp, clean bits, woodworkers save time, improve finish quality, and reduce the risk of material damage. Essential for any shop using routers, this kit enhances performance and maximizes the lifespan of your cutting tools. Saddle squares and marking knives are indispensable for accurate layout and joinery. The square ensures perfect right angles, while the marking knife creates precise, visible lines for cutting and assembly. Durable materials guarantee longevity and reliability. Perfect for dovetails, mortises, and fine woodworking, these tools improve accuracy and reduce errors. Ergonomic design allows comfortable handling during repetitive tasks. Essential for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers, these tools ensure clean, precise cuts, tight joints, and polished results. By integrating these tools into your workflow, you enhance precision, efficiency, and craftsmanship across all woodworking projects, from furniture to cabinet.
Thanks for watching. These 25 genius woodworking tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and elevate every project. Equip your workshop with these essentials and watch your craftsmanship soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more woodworking tips.